Hello everyone, welcome to DC Minds. In this video, we are going to learn to write a code that will help us to delete node from linked list from the front of the linked list. So, if you don't know the concept of linked list, you can watch my lecture on linked list and link for it is given in the description below. Let's see what what do you mean by deleting data or node from front of the linked list. So initially will be given a link list like this, and this is the front of the link list and this is the rear means end side of the link list, and this is the beginning of the link list. So in this case we'll learn to delete the node. This is each box is called node, and this node from the front side. So we will delete first this 5, and after deleting we'll have only 2, 15, 13 left in the linked list. So we'll learn to delete the node from the front side of the linked list. Now let's see the code that will help us to perform this operation. So let's see the pseudocode first. So we have given linked list like this, and our goal is to remove this node because it is the front of the linked list. So what we have to do is basically we have to move this front to here, and then we have to remove this node. So next, after removing this 5, this front should point to this node. So let's see how we can do this using code. So initially what we'll do, we'll take a node pointer temp, and this temp will point to front. So now what will happen when we say temp equal to front, now both front and this temp node will point to this beginning of the link list. Now both are pointing to this. Now next thing what we'll do, we'll move this front to this node. So for that we'll write code like this. We'll say front equal to front arrow link. So front is pointing here, and front link means this is the link part. Front link means this node. So what we are doing, front link is nothing but this node. Now we are assigning to this front. So now front will point here. So now what will happen after this line of code, the front will start pointing here, and now what we have to do is we have to remove this node. So to remove this node, we have to write code like this, free temp. So what will happen now, temp is pointing here, as you see the temp was pointing here. And we move this front to next node here, and now we are deleting this temp, so this will get deleted. So in this case what will happen, the linked list will become like this, the 5 will get deleted. So this is the pseudo code that will help us to delete a node from the beginning or front side of a linked list. Okay, now we'll see the entire function that will help us to delete the front of the linked list. So this is the linked list given, and this is the function that will help us to delete a node from the front. So initially what we'll do, we'll call this function delete front, and initially this is the linked list and this front is pointing to this. So what we'll do, we'll pass this front to this function. So what will happen, this front, it will come over here and it will declare a temporary node, and we'll check for empty linked list. Suppose in some situation the linked list will be empty, and we'll try to delete the node from the empty linked list. So in this case what will happen, that will be error if we delete. So in this case we will simply check if the linked list is empty. So we'll front equal to null means the whether the linked list is empty or not. So if it is empty, just we'll return the whatever we are passing. Otherwise what we'll do, we will make this temp point to front. So what will happen, at this line of code, this front is pointing already at the beginning of the linked list. Now this temp will point. So temp will point here, and next when we execute this line of code, what will happen, front equal to front arrow link. So this means this node will get assigned to this front. So now front will be pointing to this node, and next this line of code, what it will do, it will delete the node from this linked list. So our linked list will become like this. So this is the function that will help us to delete a node from the front of the linked list. Suppose we want to delete now these two. So again what we'll do, again we'll call this function. We'll if we call this function once more, it will delete this two. Like this it will keep on deleting until unless this linked list become empty. So if you see this code here, it has the name delete front, and it takes a parameter that is of type this node, means a struct node, and it returns a node. So in case of empty, we are returning whatever is in past. For that we have taken data type, this return type as a struct node. Okay, so this code is written in C programming style. Same thing we can write in C++ like this. So this will also work in C plus also, but we can rewrite this function in programming like this. Just no need to give this struct keyword, and here also, and same way here also you no need to give the struct keyword, and rest of the things will be same. So this is all about how to delete a node from the linked list from the front side. In next video, we are going to learn to write a code that will delete a node from the end of the linked list. So this is the end of the linked list. So we learn to remove the node from this side. So what we'll do, we will remove the last node, and we will uh, retain the remaining part. Okay. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. If you feel this video will be useful to your friends and your colleagues, please share with them. If you have any query, please comment it.